Welcome! If you've been exploring Messenger's new features, you might have noticed that channel messages can pile up quickly. Sometimes you just want to clear the notification without needing to open every message. In this video, I'll walk you through the quick and easy way to mark channel messages as read updated for the newest version of Messenger. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. Make sure you're using the latest version since the layout and options may look slightly different on older updates. Once the app opens, you'll see all your chats listed on the home screen. Next, find the channel you want to mark as read. Channels appear alongside your regular chats, but you'll usually recognize them by the small channel icon next to their name. Scroll through your list until you see the one you want. Now, long press on that chat. When you do, Messenger will bring up a small menu with several actions you can take, things like mute, delete, or mark as read. From that menu, tap mark as read. The bold text from that channel will disappear, your unread count will go down, and the notification dot will vanish. That's it. Your channel is now marked as read and your inbox looks cleaner instantly. If you ever change your mind or want to check back on what was sent, you can just open the channel again to see all the messages. Nothing is deleted or hidden, it's simply marked as read so you can reduce visual clutter and stay organized. This is a small trick, but it can make a big difference if you're part of several Messenger channels or communities. It helps you stay focused, avoid unnecessary alerts, and easily keep track of the conversations that really matter. So the next time you see that unread badge pop up next to a channel you've already skimmed, you'll know exactly what to do. Keep your Messenger experience organized, updated, and distraction-free, one tap at a time.